What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first ever Merchandise Monday, which is a series I'm going to start creating on Monday. If you saw my little clip from Instagram, then thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't, then if you go to my Instagram, which is SRP Fitness, you can get updates on the videos that I'm going to be doing. If you are interested in workout-related merchandise, then I appreciate you coming to the channel, and that is what today is going to be about. In other videos, another Merchandise Monday, we're going to be going over different vlogging accessories and different editing products that I personally use, and it's going to be geared more towards the budget-friendly vlogger and editor. So guys, today is going to be about workouts, like I said, so thank you for tuning in. Stick around to see what we're going to be reviewing today. Thanks. So for the first piece of Merchandise Monday, the merchandise I would like to bring to you guys has to do with something sports related, fitness related, which these videos are going to be going over budget friendly vlogger as myself, because we broke over here. And also, if you have any criticism, then you know what to do. You just comment down below. And guys, the more support I get for this channel, the more that I can do to help you out. So it is definitely a two-way street. If you can help me, then I can help you. By that, I mean the pieces of merchandise that I'm going to be reviewing. If I'm seeing that I get enough support, then guys, I will invest my money to give to you guys. I'm going to be giving away my first piece of merch at 25 subscribers, just to see that I got support, just to see that this is actually working. So the one thing that I've learned from vlogging is that you guys are actually looking for something, right? Whether it's to be entertained, have some kind of humor, a new thought. You guys want to have a takeaway point. This first piece of merchandise I'm going to be going over is geared towards helping you recover from your workouts. A Percussion Massage Gun, which you can see there. The brand that I got is, well, maybe you can't see that. Is it backwards? Ooh, hold on. Awesafe. One thing that you may notice is that if you look up percussion guns on Amazon, or just type in your search bar on Google, you're gonna find a lot of products look similar to this one. There has been knockoff versions of this specific brand, so you need to be careful. Things that you can look out for is either this is a sticker, which this is not a sticker on this one, so it is legit, and also that there is no print on here at all. There's different versions or different brands that use the exact same design, or at least relatively similar, so you definitely need to be careful for that. So initial evaluation, the gun is 2.5 pounds, so you take that for what it's worth. It might be heavy to some, might not be heavy to others. I do like the durability of it. The handle down here does have like a rubber grip, and I do like that. So straight from the package, Awesafe actually provides you with a case. And I like the case. It is relatively durable. At the same time, it is flexible. I'm sure you can see there. But at the same time, I do like it, and that is something that other brands don't actually offer, which is a bag included in your purchase. So as soon as you open it up, you can see that there are different attachments, and I'll go over each one of those in a minute. As soon as you open this up, there's a charging port here, and then a second charging attachment that connects to the bottom of the gun. So I'm going to go over a couple of the different attachments. One that I am a stickler for using is this like golf ball head attachment. It is geared more towards your bigger muscle groups. You have this 2-head prong attachment, which you can see there, which they say is more for your spinal column. This right here gets around the vertebrae, so it's able to hit like the erector spinae of your spine. This is more of a soft head attachment. Here you can see that it actually does give there at the end. Very similar to the one I just showed you, except it is very, there's no give in it at all. It definitely hits on the top of the muscles. And then you have your deep, I don't know what you want to call this, you're gonna hit and penetrate and localized areas. So taking the gun out, there's a quick set of instructions that tell you how to power it on and just do different things, how to set a timer. There are 4 different button attachments. The power button, which is on. There's a minus button for less speed, plus button for more speed, and a power button, and a timer button there all the way to the right. If you look on the bottom here, it shows you the on switch and the charging port. So there, if you turn it on the on, you see it's lit up green. If it is not charged up properly, it will be red. The way to engage the gun there is just to hit this power button, and there you can see the end of it. It turns on. Obviously you cannot see that it is actually working unless you have an attachment piece in. So I'm going to show you how this gun looks once you actually attach a piece to it. Like I said, I'm going to use my favorite attachment piece, which is that golf ball size. Then you hit the on button back here. So you have your first speed, then hitting that increase speed. You got 4 settings there. I've actually never used the 4th one. Typically for me, the 2nd setting works really great. I've never used this, the 4th speed. Anyways. His bottom line is, this gun works amazing. I feel like it is like an entry-level gun. You can see that there are other brands I'm not going to mention, but if you do type in Percussion Gun or Percussion Massager, then you're going to see multiple different ones come up. This one I got for a very, very amazing deal. Not from Awesafe, not sponsored or anything. I mean, guys, help me out. Awesafe, contact. If you've ever had a deep tissue massage and they hit that spot and you feel the blood flow back into your muscle, that's exactly what this does. You can find it on Amazon. So now I'm going to go over a couple of things that I didn't quite like about it. The first thing is how the attachment pieces actually fit in. There's no lock, there's no twist or anything. They just literally you gotta push them in there, and when you do, you can actually feel the percussion mechanism slide back into it. And that doesn't mean it's locked, it just means that you just push that mechanism back. But that's really all you do, is you just pull it out and you pop it in. Like I said, there's no lock, so I really didn't like that because I wasn't sure how much pressure I need to put on it. I don't want to wear out the mechanism inside of it. The second thing I really didn't like is on the bottom of this, the port is just exposed. There's nothing to actually close this off. It's just completely exposed. Both of these things I'm complaining about honestly don't matter, and I know this is just an aesthetic look. Like I said, when you have such a great product, really can't complain about too much. These are just little things that I noticed. The third and final thing for me personally, after having this and using it almost every single day for 2 weeks, is when I turn it on and I start using it, I do hear a rattling noise, which kind of worries me, but at the same time, I bought the 3-year warranty, so I feel like I'm kind of, guaranteed that it's going to be okay. But let me show you what I mean if I can actually get it. So that noise, if you hear that, which could be completely normal, but at the same time, it's a little loud. And that was one of the pitches on this product that they were selling, is that it's extremely quiet, which if you, and you can kind of hear that, right? It's a little louder than I think that they long on. At the same time, I really do enjoy these products. You can even hear it, right? So that's the basic review that I have for this product. I overall absolutely love it. It's fantastic, especially if you don't want to buy the $600-700 ones. I feel like this is an amazing product to go with. Again, that is Awesafe. Like I said, it comes with 6 attachment heads. Another thing that it came with was the bag, which is a big seller for me. Being able to put everything in a spot that's supposed to be, keep it all organized together, instead of them just sending you all separate attachment pieces and you not having anywhere to put it. Or if you wanted the bag, it costs like another $100. So thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, if you're able to support the channel, then I will be able to help you guys out by, starting to purchase more product later on, more merchandise, and be able to give it out to you guys, the ones that actually comment and engage with this channel. Thank you so much. You have a good day. I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you. The first thing that you're going to see is this box. What's in the box? Oh, you were the box. What was in the box? What's going on, guys?